What's going on, Stroke fam? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for tuning into another video. As you guys can see, we're getting an early start to the day today. It is currently, I want to say about 6:30 in the morning. We got a lot to do today. You probably see I'm wearing the same clothes as I was wearing in the previous video to this. It's the same morning, but yeah, today we're planning on getting the auto start, remote start put on the F350. We'll be dropping that off to the shop today. We're also installing a drop shackle, 2-inch drop shackle kit on a Silverado. But before we do all that, we're about to go grab some breakfast. I'm gonna go pick up some donuts real quick, and we're gonna make our way back to the shop or to the house, and yeah, we're gonna get this day started. So here we go. Little walk around before we put the 2-inch drop shackles on. Right now it's sitting on no block with a 2.5-inch level in the front. So she's gonna be leaning a little more when we finish. So let's get to it. Go ahead and knock this out. Alright, well, the battery's charged up. This is the kit we're gonna be putting in. I don't know, who you got this from?
Amazon. What? No, O'Reilly.
It shouldn't be too hard to install. I'm hoping we don't have to take off this hitch. I don't think we're gonna have to, but you never know. Yeah, nope. It's not mounted to the hitch. I don't know if we're gonna be able to slide these bolts out though, that's the only thing. You might have to take the hitch off in order to slide these out. Shit. We're gonna try it without doing it. So, shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. We ain't gotta take the hitch off, but I will let y'all know if we do. About to have to take these wheels off, put the wheels off on each side, and jack up the truck in the middle. Pull the 2 bolts out the back on each side. That's holding the shackle in. And then lower it back down into place and put the bolts back in. Should be that simple, but it ain't gonna never go that easy. So we better start pulling these wheels off right quick, and yeah, we'll catch up with y'all. All right, so update. We're not gonna take the wheels off. We're gonna work around them. It's possible to do. I just want to take the wheels off because it would make the job a little easier, but it's okay. We're gonna work around it. We went ahead and took off the receiver hitch because the bolts under here kind of hard to get to, and you can't get to them with the receiver hitch being on. So you can see the shackle right here. You can get the bottom bolt out, but you can't get the top bolt out unless you take the receiver hitch off, because you can't get to the bolt over here to hold it, because all it wants to do is spin. So had to take that off. Got this side undone. In order to get the bolt out, you can see right there it's hitting the frame. We're gonna lift up on the axle whenever he finishes that side. He's gonna do the same thing over there, and then we're gonna lift up with the axle, and then that'll give us clearance up here above the frame to slide the bolt out, put the new shackle in, put the bolt back in, tighten it up, drop it down, and we'll be good to go. So you see this pinch weld up here? You will have to bend that pinch weld. Get you some pliers, some channel locks, or some vice grips, and just bend it kinda, because let me see if I can, the shackle here is pretty big, and it's gonna hit up there if we leave it. So you can see that right there. It's gonna hit up there if you don't bend it. So go ahead and bend that or cut it like a notch and cut it out. Whatever's easier for you. But that's just the update right now. Everything's going pretty smooth so far. So hopefully we'll go ahead and wrap it up and finish it on a good note. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get everything going back together, get the new shackles in, and drop the truck back down. Alright, we about wrapped it up. You can see we got the new shackle in on this side. Waiting on him to finish buttoning that one up on that side. Trying to train him, you know. Talking about he good with his tools and shit. I can't tell. He's struggling over there, but yeah, you're struggling. But we almost got it. We're gonna drop it down to the ground, put the spare tire back on, put the towing package back on, and then that'll be it. Take it out the jack stands and see what she look like on the ground. Alright, so it looked pretty good. Went in pretty easy. And once we figured out what we was gonna do and how we are gonna do it. Right now, we about to go and do a burnout. He wanna do a burnout on these stocks that I got. They just laying around the shop, so we're gonna go get some footage of doing some burnouts. Alright, we out here about to swap these wheels over. Put these put the little small stocks on there so he can do a burnout real quick. And yeah, so we about to swap these real fast.